To clean your hearing aid, the first thing you want to do is take off the rubber dome. Then you're going to change your wax guard, which is that white piece right there. You're going to find a package that looks similar to this. Open it up, and there will be sticks inside. You're going to pull one of the sticks from the package, and you'll see that there's an empty end and a new filter on the other end. You're going to take this stick and use the empty end to pull the wax filter out. Then you're going to turn the stick and replace it with a new filter. You may also have a wax filter that looks like this. If so, when the dome is taken off of the hearing aid, this is what the aid will look like. You're going to stick this into slot number 1 to remove the filter. And then you're going to stick it in slot number 2 to replace the filter. Then you're going to find a packaging that looks similar to this, and you're going to pull out a new dome, and you're going to push the new dome onto the end of the hearing aid. Lastly, you're going to find the brush that was provided to you at the hearing aid fitting, and you're going to brush the back side of the hearing aid where the microphones are.